Hey, hello. And I have a question for you. How do you start your day? That is your day. What's the first thing you drink or eat in the morning? And I know most women, most people, I guess, in general, usually have coffee. They don't even have a glass of water. After all the night, after you wake up so dehydrated, what you really need to do is, of course, have some water. But there's many, and a lot of people say, I'm so busy, I got to go to work, I don't have time to do this, I don't have time to do this. But I have been doing it for years and years, even when I worked full time, even when I had to start work at 6:30 a.m. I always knew the importance of starting my day the healthy way, like really. And I work with women over 45 going through the midlife change and beyond at a time when your body is really changing. Your hormonal shifts bring you a lot of physical symptoms and emotional symptoms, as well as a crazy weight gain, right? And you can feel really tired and fatigued and brain fog and all of that. What you eat and drink in the morning makes a huge difference with all of that, right? Even digestive issues if you have some. And energizing you for the whole day, helping your brain to function better so you have more clarity and focus, and you can think better. It is such a crucial thing. That's why I'm doing a 7-day free challenge on Energize Your Day. 7 days of drinking and eating foods that help nourish your body, feed and fuel every cell of your body. So all you have to do is click below. You will see where it says click here, and a pop-up will come up, and you put your name and email address in there, and you will be added to the free 7-day challenge. We start Monday, July 20th, and it's going to be in a special Facebook community. You will receive an email with that link to join. And if you don't see the email, please look in your junk mail, because that is so common for it to go in there, okay? Come and join me if you have any questions. You can find me on Facebook at Diana Marchand. I am so happy you're joining us. See you there.